Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'm going to say each letter sound, you repeat the sounds, and then we'll blend the word together. F, I, N, Finner. Qu, E, N, ch. Quench. K, A, ch, Catcher. Ch, I, L, E. Chili. P, A, L, I, sh. Polish. Did you get that one? That was a little tricky. Last one. F, E, V, Feather. Good job. All right, now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'm going to say the word, you're going to repeat the word, and then together we're going to chop it into individual phonemes. Thunder. N, D, Chapter. Ch, A, P, T, Shrimp. Sh, R, I, M, P. Good job. 3. F, R, E. Okay, this next one's a long one. Wishbone. W, I, sh, B, O, N. Good job. All right, now we're going to do some vowel substitution. So remember, when we're substituting medial vowels, it's the sound that would be at the top of the roller coaster. So if the word is cane, K, A, N, A would be at the top of the roller coaster. All right, here we go. I need a piece of paper because I lose track of these really easily. The word is mad. Change A to A. Made. The word is ride. Change I to I. Rid. The word is feel. Change E to E. Fell. The word is got. Change A to O. Goat. The word is mute. Change U to A. Mutt. Last one. The word is coat. Change O to A. Caught. Good work. All right, now we are going to add phonemes. So we're going to start with the ending part of the word and add it looks like we're doing some blends today. We're going to add a blend. The word is all. Add sm to the beginning. Small. The word is oak. Add sm to the beginning. Smoke. The word is age. Add st to the beginning. Stage. The word is laid. Add b to the beginning. Blade. The word is I've. Add str to the beginning. Strive. The word is right. Add sp to the beginning. Sprite. Good work. All right, last exercise. We are deleting phonemes. So we are going to start with the word and remove the beginning sound. The word is gripe without g. The word is ripe. The word is brave without b. The word is rave. The word is break without b. The word is rake. The word is crate without k. The word is rate. The word is blade without b. The word is laid. The word is flake without f. The word is lake. The word is crash without k. The word is rash. Last one. The word is price without p. The word is rice. Nice work.